Next on our list is ELB Group, right, which is in the mining game. It manufactures, the whole chain. For example, if you're doing a metallurgical or process engineering solution, active in the power station industry where they handle things like the coal conveyor line that feeds the stuff into the power station, port construction, all sorts of distribution licenses related to equipment like hoppers and materials handling and modular processes and all that sort of stuff. Market capitalization 1.1 billion rand, price earnings ratio 7.8, dividend yield 3.13. The thing I like most about this company is its CEO, Stephen Myers, who's a friend of mine, who's a runner. You're a runner, I'm a runner, he's a runner too. Stephen is a legend on the road. He runs like every day for miles and miles and miles and does huge numbers of events. But apart from that, he's also an excellent CEO. Company, though, exposed to the same trends we've been talking about. So there you go, a bit of a slump since 2014, 2015.
Yeah, it looks like quite a neat operation. They're very much project focused, so they do the entire projects. I think they're working on the largest coal conveyor plant for Sasol at the moment. Okay. So, and I guess some large projects, if they sustained, they can sustain the business. Yeah. Their recent results were actually pretty credible, I guess, given the environment. 13% increase in HEPS. But I guess the same theme running through depressed outlook and really focusing on efficiency, to, I guess, sustain themselves through this tough period and be prepared for the next cycle.
It's another good lesson, isn't it? That it's not only about earnings and about the company and the quality team and so on. Really, the share price is a reflection of people's confidence levels about the future years of earnings. It's a good lesson for the basics if people are watching this. Yeah. As much as you might think this is a great company with great people and good engineers and good internal exercises, and they're obviously, on the front foot with regard to projects and keeping costs under control. The confidence factor reflected in an expanding or a contracted PE is what ends up with a share chart like that.
Yeah, and I mean, you're seeing those PEs pretty depressed, which indicates that, at this point in time, investors are not excited about the prospects.
Okay, so as much as I like old Stephen, we're going to have to go not hot on this one too, do you think?
Yeah, I mean, these are all kind of watch and wait, really.
Yeah. But the cycle could